Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install DNS Bind9 package on Ubuntu 22.04. This is my server information, operating system Ubuntu 22.04, IP address, RAM, disk space, service, local DNS, full FQDN, ns.technologyrss.local. Now I am checking server version and IP address. This is server version and this is my IP address. Must be your server update and upgrade using this command apt update and apt upgrade, option Y. Then install Bind9, Bind utils and Bind9 doc package. Package installation done. If not any update, so you can use update fix missing, maybe this is not needed. So must be use your server IP address into your resolve.conf file, because of your DNS server as a resolver 10.66, 10.30. This is local DNS domain name, and going to etc bind and then open name.option file and delete all text and collect from this ACL trusted. This is my server IP address, and copy all text and insert, then save and exit. And then open name.conf local and delete all file, name.local. This is zone, then save and exit. This is forwarder lookup and this is reverse lookup. This is reverse lookup file name and forwarder lookup file name. And then go to zones versus file directory, because okay, this is not created file. Open this file name and all text, copy and paste into this file. swa ns.technologyrss.local, root.ns.technologyrss.local, ns.local a record. This is my IP address, and name server record ns.technologyrss.local, and open another reverse lookup file and then open this is PTR record and this is name server. PTR record, that means 30.10, that means this is third octet and this is fourth octet, not this is first octet. then save and exit. Okay, now backup on directory and show RNDC key, and then copy this key, and create RNDC conf file and open RNDC conf file. This is copy this file, RNDC key, and copy all text and into insert this RNDC conf file. Okay, now set up permission, root and bind, RNDC key, bind and bind. Then restart bind service and check status. Localhost, manage key zone, initial automatic trust, resolver, priming query complete success. Okay, and now check. Now test this dig is working. ns.technology.rss.local answer section, ns technology RSS. This is my server IP address. Query server, this is my server, and dig my server IP address. Yes, PTR record is 10.66, 10.30, 10.66, 10.30. ns lookup .ns. This is my server IP address. This is my fully FPDN. ns lookup, checking PTR record. Yes, ns lookup 30. This is my name server. PTR record is successfully working. That means reverse lookup. Now install how manage DNS from web GUI. So install Webmin for manage easily your DNS server, DHCP server. Now add this source list into this file, or you can use this section, trusted key file, and then update, and then install Webmin package. Webmin installation done. Now access this server IP address. Click advance and proceed unsafe. Then log in using root user and root password. I'm going to server, Apache web server, Bind web server. This is Bind web server, MySQL database. This is my master zone. This is my address. Now going to my zone folder and click address. Now add testing on host, click address. Now add 31 IP, click create. This is added, and then apply zone and apply configuration. Now going to test, DNS lookup test. This is test.technology.rss.local. This is my server IP address, and this is my test IP address. Now checking PTR record. PTR record is successfully working. This is my 10.66, 10.31. This is my server IP address. Now test Windows client machine. Open, right click on the network icon, open network and internet settings, and click internet, change adapter option, and then open, double click on the Ethernet, click properties, and going to IPv4 version TCP, click properties, and click use this following DNS server address. This is my DNS server address, 10.66, 10.30, and secondary DNS you can use another one. I am using Google public DNS. Then click OK, close, and now open your command prompt. This is my host name. This is my host name. I'm going to address and add this host name and my IP address. IP address is 10.20. It may be collect from this, and then click create and click apply zone, and then click apply configuration. Now going to test DNS lookup. This is my IP address. This is PTR record is working fine, and check host name. This is my host name. Resolver, this is correct host name. This is fully FPDN, is completely resolved from my DNS server. This is NS server resolver. NS1. Successfully installation and configuration done your Bind9 server on Ubuntu 22.04. Now I am checking from DNS server 10. This is desktop, and this is my desktop fully FPDN, and this is my IP address. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.